There's one more reference. Agastya uvacha manuna prokta dharmene balayasva vasundaram sapatam kurajitvam dharmashastranusaratah. Manuna prokta dharmene balayasva vasundaram sapatam kurajitvam dharmashastranusaratah. Agastya said, rule the earth by dharma proclaimed by Manuvadi Dharmashastras. Take your oath, O queen, in accordance with the Dharmashastra. That is the way Agastya coronated Meenakshi and Meenakshi ruled.